second difference, and n is equal to number of terms, right? So if we talk about this sequence, so we have -6, -5, -2, 3, and 10, right? So first difference is between these two, -5 minus -6. So -5 plus 6 becomes 1. Second difference between these two will be -2 minus -5. So -2 plus 5 becomes 3, right? 3. Then we have this difference between these two. So we get 3. We have 3 minus -2 becomes 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. You get 5, right? And the difference between these two is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So there is 7, right? Now we have second difference. Second difference 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then we have 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And we have 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Right? So constant is 2. So A is equal to 1 by 2 into constant, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1. Right? If you take n is equal to 1, then nth term, n is equal to 1, so that is -6 is equal to a 1 into, sorry, acha, a is equal to 1, so 1 into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c, an square plus bn plus c. So n is 1, so I take 1 here, and a value is 1, so I take 1. So it becomes -6 is equal to 1 plus b plus c. So we can write b plus c is equal to, this 1 goes on this side, turns to be minus, -6 minus 1 becomes -7. This is equation 1. When n is equal to 2, then we have 2 is minus 5. So we have minus 5 is equal to 1 into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. So that is 2 square is 4. It goes on the other side minus. So minus 9 is equal to 2b plus c. This is another equation. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. On solving, b plus c is equal to minus 7 and 2b plus c is equal to minus 9. So we will get minus minus plus. On subtracting, so this is minus, so it is minus b. This is cancel out, it becomes plus 9 minus 7 becomes positive 2. So we can say b is equal to minus 2, right? When you put this value, b value, in equation 1, then what happens? Minus 2 plus c is equal to minus 7. So c is equal to minus 7 plus 2 becomes minus 5, right? So c becomes minus 5. You get it? C becomes minus 5, A becomes minus 2, and A is equal to how much? A is equal to 1. Getting? Now ANth is equal to AN square plus BN plus C. So ANth is A is equal to 1, N square, B is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 N, and it is plus minus 5. So we get N square minus 2N minus 5. You get this?
Yeah, I got it.